This is the fully trimmed Centre Console Armrest Lid unit for the Jaguar E-Type open two-seater Roadster and fixed head Coupe two-seaters. It's applicable to the sort of Series 1 and Series 2 models. A customer sent us his old unit and we've retrimmed it up using our covers. The crucial thing with this cover here is often you find that when you're retrimming it to the original, it starts to kind of sag around the corners. As you can see, this one is very firm on top, and the crucial ingredient there is we have replaced the foam on the inside. This is the original foam here, and as you can see, especially around the corners, over the course of sort of 40 or 50 years, it starts to sag at the corners, which will mean that you're just never going to get the nice pristine firm finish that you want on there. So that's the crucial ingredient. You can see this is the original cover here that we've taken off, which we've replaced. Leather on top, vinyl around the sides, and we've also replaced the backing board on the underside there, as you can see there, just to make it a nice neat finish. Overlap the piping out the back around there, makes a very nice finish. So that's the look and finish you should be looking to achieve. If you're not with our covers, then it's really worth considering changing the foam on the inside. See our website for more details.